make a sunflower granny square. So we are going to start with a magic ring. And we are going to make 8 double crochet. First is like a 3 chain. That is the first double crochet. 1, 2. This is 3, 8. Slip stitch to the top of the first 3 chain. Then I'm going to cut the yarn, leaving a little bit of longer tail is better. I like to lock my stitches by slipping it through. Okay, I can make a slip knot just like this. I'm going to do it one more time. Slip stitch. We'll insert the hook in one of the top chains and then take the slip knot through the chain. Now chain 3, consider as the first double crochet. Then I am going to make a puff stitch. Okay, 1, just like a half double crochet but not full. 3, and 1 more, 4. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook. We are going to pull yarn through all the 5 and then put one single crochet there. Then chain 2, go to the next stitch. One half double crochet but not fully completed. Just do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook. Again chain 2 and go to the next stitch. Repeat like that all the way up to here. Now we have made 8 petals. Now we are going to slip stitch to the top of the first puff stitch. Cut the yarn with a little long tail. Now let us go on the yellow yarn. Single crochet. We start in the space. Single crochet. Then half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, then chain 2, one slip stitch to the top of the treble crochet, then again one double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. That makes one petal. So we can continue all the way. I will help you to make one more petal. So here is a single crochet. In the next space there's a single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, yarn over once, insert the hook, yarn over hook and pull through one, yarn over, pull through two, and treble crochet, yarn over hook 2 times, then insert, pull through, yarn over hook and pull through 1 time, yarn over hook, pull through 2, yarn over hook, pull through the 3rd time. Now a treble crochet is done. Now 1, 2 chains, then we go here and slip stitch. This is to make that end of the petal like a pointy petal. Then double crochet, half double crochet, and a single crochet. Continue all the spaces like that, and you will have 8 petals. That's a slip knot. Just hold it in your hand from the back, hook from the back to the front to the back. Put the stitch on the hook, pull it to the back, bring it to the back of your work. You turn your work. There's a wrong side. See, the leftover yarns are here. This side, so neat. There is only this end that you can put back. See, like this. Now the fun begins. You can do chain 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the next up stitch, go to the next one, and you can again insert the hook like this and bring the yarn like this, single crochet, one, 2, 3, 4. Skip the next one, the next one. Make it right here and bring it to the back. And again 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the next one to the next. One, 2, 3, 4. Now we can slip stitch to the first, the beginning. Hope you can see. Chain 4, another chain 4, another chain 4, another chain 4. We have 4 sides. Now we are going to do it like a granny square. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 4 space, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. So that's one double crochet, 2, 3, 1, 2, chain. Then again the same space, make 3 more double crochet. Now you go to the next space, make the same 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Next one, we are making 4 sides of the granny square, right? So 1, 2, 3, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Then in the next space, here I am attaching the green to the back. 1, 2, 3, first DC, then we go to the next. We finish the next 2 more corners and the sides are done. Now we can slip stitch on top of the chain 3, the beginning of the round here. That's it. Cut the yarn. I like to lock it in place by pushing it through again.